Hey guys, it's Jack. And I wonder if you're wondering what we're doing. We're getting a car.
Yo! This shit crazy! She a whole fool.
We're getting a car today. And it's a very exciting day. 2020. Reward yourself. Work hard. Have good credit. 2020. I will show you guys the car when we go out there. They're cleaning it for us. And then we're gonna start the video and decorate for the girls' party. Are you excited?
Nah. We don't show emotion on here.
Are you happy?
Yeah, I am.
Where do you go with our car?
It's not up there. You took it.
Oh. Bye, guys.
Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire.
Alright guys, currently we got the car, we drove it around, we went to mom's house, I had to cut my mom's dog's hair, and then we took the girls for their first surprise of Minnie. Where are we at, guys?
Applebee's.
They love this restaurant, so we're doing that, and then we're doing something after, and I will show you when we do that.
Yeah.
You could say something?
Yeah, true.
No? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to twins who are already eating. Happy birthday to you.
And then,
Huh?
that's
Bam! Bam!
like KK?
Bam!
Yeah.
Bam! Hey! All right, do you know why we're at Target? One of your favorite stores?
To buy something?
Uncle Matthew sent you both money. Guess how much he sent you?
5?
$20 each.
20.
$20 each to pick something. So go pick anything that's $20. Go. Go, 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 go. Clothes, toys, or a purse. Or a whole bunch of little things that can add up to 20. Those are cute.
Oh, yeah.
Go ahead, go shopping.
With crimson secrets and forbidden bliss, can't stay still, don't stop that thrill.
Yeah? Well, they want to go to the toys. That's what they said.
Okay, we'll go to the toys.
Cute.
That is pretty. Get what you want as long as it's 20. That's your cutoff. Oh, look at these shirts, guys. They have princess shirts, Harry Potter. Look at all the LOL dolls, guys. And the Lion King. Oh, look, there's Frozen up here.
Frozen 2. Look, I like this one. This one's cute.
That one?
does not look like Ron. He's supposed to have a reddish. He's supposed to be a redhead, not a blondie. Oh, look at him. How rude! Respect the Ronald.
Respect the Ronald, guys.
Well, you can't play this.
Y'all hear this? No red, but he knows me.
Is he? This is so cute.
Toes creeping around like no one knows. Think you're so criminal.
Oh, you found Crave your skin, temptation within, mistakes ignite the silence.
Look, you guys can get these little outfits that come with slippers, a llama, and this one has boots. Look, pajamas and a robe.
This is for that heart.
Hmm.
Is this for Barbie or American Doll?
The American dolls. Look, their son has a scooter.
Angel Duck. It's a car.
To get one big jumbo disco surprise LOL doll and a little one each.
I'm really hoping to get it.
Move your heads together. Hold up your what you got, Nevaeh. All right, go ahead and swipe,
Yep.
and then put that in.
You gotta be careful not to scan it twice.
There you go. There you go. Go ahead, scan it once. There you go.
All right.
Good job.
Hold on, don't take it. Don't take it. Don't take it.
Angel, did you fart?
No.
Nevaeh? Somebody farted.
Did you? Yeah. Kate said yeah.
Kaden, say excuse me. Hey guys, it's the next day. It's Sunday, and I just woke up. Oh look, there's Mitch trying to fix the van, and now ew. Don't mind me. I ain't even brushed my teeth. I just woke up, didn't wash my face, didn't do anything, and I'm rushing to go get some decorations for this surprise birthday thing. We're gonna do something super small. I'm gonna just do the colors of the theme. I couldn't find descendant plates, so we're just gonna do the colors. The main attraction and event is they don't know they're gonna do a bounce house, and then my mom and stepfather are gonna come over and they're gonna open a couple more presents in our present. So that's what I'm doing. The kids think I'm going to the store to get something to eat. I am going to the Dollar Tree because we're cheap around these parts. And we're gonna see what we can just zhuzh up. Something small. Do this thing. Oh my gosh, I need my brows done. Is my hair still purple? And to the Dollar Tree we go. Alright, so I'm gonna look for cards and little party things that remind me of Descendants. I'm gonna put a picture up on the screen of what Descendants is, so y'all can try and see what I'm trying to do. Pom-poms, I think will be cute. 2 tissue pom-poms. We'll do it in purple. These are garlands. The pom-poms. We'll do the garlands. This and then purple if I can get up there. Alright, so the good news is Mardi Gras and St. Patrick's Day and Valentine's Day is all out in the Dollar Tree. And those are all of our theme colors for the most part. I'm trying to find all black wicked flowers, but I can't find any. And I don't have enough time to get some spray paint for to make them that way. Oh, I could stuff all these colors in a vase. No, but they don't have black. All right, I'm not seeing any black, because if you don't know what Descendants is, it's like, I think Ursula's daughter, Maleficent's daughter, all the dark witchy, wicked stuff happening. So now I'm just gonna get some balloons. And we're gonna be good to go. Oh, I should get some chips. Yeah, I'm gonna get some chips too. I couldn't find any happy birthday glitter to toss on the table. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna do gems. I'm gonna get some gems. I'll be right back. So, I found the gems. Look how pretty these are. These look exactly like Descendants aesthetic. So I'm also gonna put these on the table. I'm gonna put those and happy birthday down. And I think we're done. We're just gonna get some balloons and 2 bags of chips. All right, now I'm in the car after I tied down 3 balloons. I feel like I should have got 2 more. But it was a very long line, and we are trying to do this before we have to go to this bounce house. So while I'm getting all of this, Mitch is back at home buying the tickets for the bounce house, and now I'm on my way to Publix. Oops, I almost ran a stop sign. I'm on my way to Publix to get a tiny cake. We're not gonna do the cake theme. It's just gonna be a cake. Like I said, we just bought a car yesterday, so we trying to make the twinsies happy, which it doesn't take a lot to make my kids happy, thank God. And yeah, I'm just going to show you guys that only going to the Dollar Tree, saving the biggest amount of money for the big event, the fun stuff, and a small little thing for presents is all you need for your kids. Stop breaking the bank, guys. Stop. So one of the first things I'm going to use is this tablecloth as the tablecloth we're going to put everything on. It has a little black, gold, white, pink, and the dark pink we needed for Descendants. Pay no mind, your girl needs a fill. But we're going to set up this first. Alright, so now that we have the pink tablecloth on, look what I found. I found these at the Dollar Tree. It's Descendants 3, which is the theme we're going for. See all those colors? That's what we're going for. Alright, so let me go ahead and give you a quick little haul. I'm going to put this somewhere where you can see me, guys. Got some honey barbecue chips. It's not a big party, it's just my mom and stepdad coming, so we got 2 bags of chips. I'm going to be eating out, so. This is going to be for the backdrop. We have a purple tablecloth. This is one of their gift bags. We got the blue plates, some black plates, and then I got a nice little dark looking Descendants vase. I just felt like it looked cool. And 2 of my cards. The garland I was telling you guys about, some forks in black. This is going to hang on the backdrop we're creating. A fake chandelier, which is going to hang from here. And this bag, I'm going to repurpose it, and I'm going to put their Descendant shirts, because they're also going to wear twin Descendant shirts with a skirt. So that's what these are going to be used for, and they're also going to be sitting up here as semi-decoration. I also got 3 balloons that I'm going to put somewhere in the color of Mardi Gras and Descendants. They're basically the same thing. And we're going to let these chill right here. Hopefully my cats don't eat them. The rest of the backdrops we got. Oh, I didn't realize I got 2 purple tablecloths. Of course. And blue and black tablecloths. And green. And then I also got some of this because I saw this in the movie a lot. And we got some of these for the balloons or just the centerpiece that I'm going to try and create. Some cheese doodles. And I was able to find the happy birthday confetti and some little gems. So we also have that going on. And another bag for the other twin shirt. So let's just get this going.
Let's creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire.
I'm gonna take this and do that. Now the question is how. Look at the picture. Okay. Right? We're gonna get our tape. I'm gonna tape it. Totally fine. Then we're gonna do it that way. That's gonna come from there. Okay. Remember this? This is our witch's cauldron. Drink up all the goods. So we're gonna make this go in here and this go in here.
Connect the dots straight to the start of intoxicating warmth. Lingering touch, these soft words whispered in.
And just like that, we're done, guys. Pay no mind to the bucket and the glitter that fell on the floor over there, but we are done. We have the chandelier up there. Okay, come on.
Keep your eyes closed. Talk.
Keep your eyes closed, keep your eyes closed, keep your eyes closed.
Keep going.
Keep going. Stand back a little bit. All right, 1, 2, 3, open.
Oh!
Set my heart afire.
I like the color.
Yeah, are those the descendant colors?
Yeah.
Did I get it right?
Yeah, you did. I like the base. It's really cool.
It's supposed to be green and purple smoke coming out of the rice.
Go ahead. Have some chips.
Oh yeah, you can take some chips, guys. You like the balloons or where the balloons are?
Yeah.
And look, did you see the chandelier up here?
Oh!
It's
That's so cool.
a dark and rotten to the core.
I'm rotten to the.
Cool.
I'm rotten to the. Hey.
All right, you guys ready to get ready? Get all pretty? And we have another surprise. You guys got lots of surprises.
Turn this way. Don't look at the window.
Oh, well, Daddy doesn't have anything. We're going to a surprise. Kaden, do you think it looks nice?
Yeah.
Do you approve? Everybody's eating the chips.
Can I get a plate?
All right, let's go get cute. I gotta look like a decent person, and we'll be back with you guys. You guys excited?
Yeah.
Do you have any idea where we're going?
A place that we can have fun.
Well, yeah, but it's a surprise.
Bouncy house?
Nope.
Is it almost like Fun Spot?
Nope.
Turn right on South Central Avenue.
You excited?
Yeah.
All
I
right.
don't know, but I'm so excited to see.
Say see you guys when we get there.
See you guys when we get there.
Devil in a red dress, call 911.
Nice. Can't take them nowhere. Kaden, there's still cars. God, it is raining. Oh, there's the festivities over there. Guys, stay with Daddy.
To confess, bang bang, got my hand on the trigger. The devil in a red dress, call 911. I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess, bang bang, got my hand, call. Devil in a red dress, call 911. I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess.
Why are you riding? Happy birthday, girls. You're currently 9 years old. I cannot believe that 9 years ago, I carried you guys as a very, very young mommy, and you guys were super, super strong when mommy wasn't. You guys were 3 pound and some odd ounce preemies fighting every day in the hospital, in my stomach even. With cord entanglements, you'll learn what that means in the future. But you guys are so loving, the both of you. When this world needs the love, and let me tell you guys, this world needs all of the love that you guys get. You guys are really brave. Even if something scares you, you guys do it. You'll do it again and again until you can laugh in the face of it. And that's one of the things I admire about you guys. You guys are 9. You're 9. You're 9. I hope you grow amazing, positive, more positive and amazing traits. Mommy and Daddy love you. We're hard on you, but we're hard on you for so many good reasons. And you guys are going to be people who will change the world. I don't even know what to say. I just love you guys. And I hope you guys remember, you know, all this and all that we do and all of the memories when you guys are looking back at this at 19 or 20 or 30. I don't know, but I hope you guys look back at this and see all the fun times you guys have had. And I'm so happy and grateful to be your mom. I love you girls, even though you get on my nerves, my last nerves. But you guys are beautiful, you're strong, you are brave, you are loved, you are loving, and I can't wait to see what other great qualities you guys will be in the future. Bye. Love, mommy. Okay, let me stop. Boom, ba boom, boom.
Hey girls, Angel and Nevaeh, my sweet, sweet girls. I just want to say happy 8th birthday. Daddy loves you with all of his heart, and he just wants you to know that you can do anything you put your mind to. I just, it is crazy to see how you guys are already 9 years old. That's amazing. Like, it's really hard to put into words how much I adore you two. You two are so smart, you're so clever. I just love you guys so much, and I wish nothing but the best for you two. So, like always, mwah, 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 a whole bunch of kisses and loves, and I love you.
And say love you, sissies.
Love you, sissies.
And
Happy birthday.
say it loud. Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
And is there anything else you want to say to sissies when they watch this?
Yeah.
No? Nothing?
I think.
Huh?
1,
1, 2, 3. We love you. And then go. 2, 3. Happy birthday to you.
Round and round we go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days, trying to find a place where you'll make them just be alone, alone. All those nights lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight. Like it's a vibe under your spotlight. That's the way every day goes. Looking back, I know we started falling. We were falling in love, yeah. Took my heart and you rolled off. Was I feeling never enough for you, baby? When you left me chasing you, chasing you. Trying to find a place where we can be alone. All those nights lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday